Pit bulls are a breed of dog known for their muscular build, intelligence, and loyalty to their owners. They have a strong and powerful appearance, with broad heads and strong jaws. Despite their sometimes intimidating appearance, pit bulls are often affectionate and loving towards their families. They require proper training and socialization from an early age to ensure they grow up to be well-behaved companions. Unfortunately, pit bulls have been the subject of stereotypes and misconceptions, often associated with aggression. However, like any breed, their behavior is primarily influenced by their upbringing and environment. When raised in loving homes with responsible owners, pit bulls can be gentle, loyal, and affectionate pets. Many pit bulls also excel in activities such as obedience training, agility, and therapy work, showcasing their versatility and intelligence. Pit bulls can exhibit a friendly and gentle nature towards kids when they are properly trained and socialized. With their affectionate disposition and loyalty to their families, pit bulls often form strong bonds with children. They are known to be patient and tolerant, making them great companions for families with kids. Pit bulls can be playful and enjoy interacting with children, whether it's playing fetch in the yard or cuddling up for a nap. However, it's essential for children to be taught how to interact safely and respectfully with dogs, including pit bulls, to prevent any accidental incidents. Supervision and guidance from responsible adults are crucial to ensure positive interactions between pit bulls and kids.